The short drama Brocade Years focuses on the national-level intangible cultural heritage of Song brocade weaving, portraying the life story of a representative inheritor of this treasured craft. Through a creative premise that involves traveling through time, it follows a young official and an inheritor from a different time as they join hands across the centuries to safeguard this storied technique. In the process, they forge a deep sense of attachment to their home country and the preservation of the nation's priceless heritage. The drama is produced by CMG's Arts Channel and New Media Center along with several partners. Having been filmed in Wuxi, it captures the city's historic look and feel, recreating its authentic atmosphere. In a fast-paced, youth-oriented short drama format, it offers a contemporary take on tradition, helping this ancient craft break into the mainstream through new media. Yang Ran, CGTN.